Imagine waking up one morning, checking your crypto wallet, and realizing you've officially crossed the $1 million mark. The dream of every crypto investor. But how do you actually get there? Today, I'm giving you the ultimate step-by-step guide on how to become a crypto millionaire, packed with strategies, mindset shifts, and real-world tactics that anyone can apply. So, let's break it down into a clear roadmap that could turn your crypto journey into life-changing wealth. Step 1. Build the right mindset. Becoming a crypto millionaire doesn't start with coins, charts, or trading platforms. It starts with your mindset. Crypto is volatile, and only those who can handle risk, uncertainty, and patience will survive. You need to think long-term, fight greed, and avoid emotional decisions. The biggest losses in crypto come from FOMO and panic selling. Step 2. Educate yourself. Before you invest a single dollar, master the basics. What is blockchain? How do wallets work? What's the difference between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins? Knowledge is power here. Read white papers, follow credible analysts, and watch tutorials. The more you understand, the fewer mistakes you'll make. Step 3. Start with Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you're serious about wealth building, your foundation should always be the strongest cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ethereum. They are like the blue chips of crypto. Allocate at least 50% of your portfolio here, because these are the assets with the highest chance of long-term survival and massive growth. Step 4. Smart altcoin picks. This is where millionaires are made. Altcoins can deliver 10 times, 50 times, even 100 times returns, but only if you choose wisely. Focus on projects with strong teams, real-world use cases, and adoption potential. Think Layer 1 blockchains, DeFi platforms, and AI plus crypto projects. But never put more than you can afford to lose, because most altcoins eventually crash. Step 5. Dollar cost averaging, DCA. Timing the market perfectly is impossible. Instead, set up a weekly or monthly auto-buy of your favorite coins. This strategy lets you build wealth consistently without stressing about price swings. Over years, DCA smooths out volatility and grows your portfolio massively. Step 6. Learn to HODL and take profits. The secret sauce of crypto millionaires? They don't sell too early. When coins pump 200%, many panic and sell everything. But the true gains come from holding long-term. At the same time, millionaires know when to take profits, selling a portion during big bull runs to lock in life-changing gains, while still keeping exposure for the next run. Step 7. Explore passive income. Millionaires don't just hold crypto, they make their money work for them. Staking Ethereum, lending stablecoins, or providing liquidity can generate passive income while your portfolio grows. This compounds wealth faster than just holding. Step 8. Diversify smartly. Don't put everything into one coin or even just crypto. Keep some money in stablecoins, stocks, or even real estate. Diversification protects your wealth if crypto crashes, so you never lose everything in one bad bet. Step 9. Master risk management. Millionaires don't YOLO into every new token. They calculate risk. Never invest more than you can lose, use hardware wallets for safety, and avoid shady exchanges. Protecting your assets is just as important as growing them. Step 10. Be patient and think long-term. The harsh truth: most people fail in crypto because they expect to get rich in months. But the real millionaires play the long game. They ride out bear markets, keep accumulating, and wait for bull runs. Remember, Bitcoin took 10+ years to reach all-time highs. Wealth in crypto is a marathon, not a sprint. And here's the final bonus step. Have an exit strategy. A true millionaire knows when to take chips off the table. Decide in advance what number is life-changing for you. Maybe it's $500,000. Maybe it's $2 million. Don't let greed trap you into holding forever. Secure your future when the time is right. So, becoming a crypto millionaire isn't about chasing the next meme coin or gambling your life savings. It's about strategy, discipline, and patience. If you follow these steps, you'll have the best chance of joining the ranks of crypto millionaires in the next bull run.